Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint this Swan pool floaty. First I've gone in and base coated the Swan with the color Cotton by Dixie Belle, and now I'm going in with the color Hurricane Gray, and I'm just going around and painting the sides of the pool floaty to give it some dimension. This is actually super easy, so don't be intimidated. I'm just using the leftover gray to go around, and I'm also going to do his little wing here. And then I'm going to wipe off the excess paint off of this brush and begin to do some blending. And I just really like to blend until I'm happy with the way that the product looks. You'll kind of figure that out however you think looks best. Just keep blending until you like it. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the color Florida Orange and paint the top part of his nose beak area. I'm just base coating it with this Florida Orange. You'll see in just a second here. And this is me going in with that Florida Orange again, just super easy. Now I'm going to go in with black and paint the rest of his beak. And now I'm going to go in with a medium-sized detail brush and the color that I was using earlier for the blending. It's that Hurricane Gray. And I'm just going to do a little bit of highlighting here and there. For this paint by line, I'm not going in and doing any kind of hard outlining. I'm just keeping everything kind of free and easy. And now I'm going to go in with a number 0 and some black paint, and I'm just going to do his eye here. And this is already etched into the cutout, so I'm not having to try to freehand this little eye or anything I'm doing here today. And then I'm just going to go in and highlight his beak area with some white. And after that, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it will be super easy to do. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this product and have a great day.